that the line segment joining the midpoints of opposite side of a parallelogram divides it into two equal parallelograms. To show that, so A, B, C, D, consider a parallelogram with AB is a L point, L is midpoint on AB, and midpoint of M is the line segment DC. So to prove it is a theorem that parallelogram midpoint of a parallelogram divides is into two equal parallelogram. So proof statement: AB parallel to DC and AL is also congruent to the LB. AL and LB are congruent, and L is the midpoint of AB regions. Opposite side of parallelogram ABCD. AB and CD are the opposite side of a parallelogram. The parallelogram AL, now ALMD and LBMC from equation 1 bases and between the same parallel lines AB and DC. AB and DC. Hence, area of a parallelogram ALMD is equal to area of a parallelogram LBCD. Then they have equal areas. From the equation 1, EL is congruent to LM, and similarly M is congruent to MC. So they are LMD is congruent to LBMC. They have equal area. Question number 2 है, in a parallelogram ABCD, measurement AB is equal to 10 cm and the altitude corresponding to sides AB and AD are respectively 7 cm and 8 cm. Find the AD. Find AD हमने find करनी है. AB, for example, parallelogram draw करेंगे ABCD. A parallelogram has 4 points. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Consider given side AB is 10 cm, and in this way our point is dropped. Altitude is from its vertices B and D as H and I. So AB is equal to 10 cm and DH is equal to 7 cm. Given MB is equal to 8 cm. AD is equal to unknown. AD is equal to unknown DM and I. ठीक है. MB is equal to I and B. IB is अब altitude from B and D respectively. Area, now we know that area of a parallelogram is equal to base into altitude. Base हम यहाँ parallelogram is also equal to opposite sides AB and DH altitude. Base and area also equal to the base of second altitude AD and IB. दोनों को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे और वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट गिवन कर देंगे. देन AD is equal to 35/4. AD is equal to 8.75. Question number 4. If two parallelograms of equal area have the same or equal bases, their altitude are equals. if two parallelograms of area have the same equal basis, their altitudes are equal. Parallelograms are of area equal area have the same और equal basis, their altitude are equal. Altitudes जो है हमारे given A B C D हैं. From a vertices a line is drawn on base AB perpendicularly is called altitude, and similarly PQ is on base MN. So they are equal area, so the altitudes are also equal. तो ये प्रूव कर रहे हैं इन पैरालेलोग्राम ABCD एंड पैरालेलोग्राम MNO, टू पैरालेलोग्राम दिए हुए विद एल्टीट्यूड PQ एंड OD. तो एरिया ऑफ ABCD parallelogram is congruent to the area of MNOP parallelogram. To prove a measurement OD is congruent to the मेजरमेंट ऑफ PQ प्रूफ करना है इसे स्टेटमेंट और रीज़न देनी है. एरिया ऑफ अ पैरालेलोग्राम ABCD इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ पैरालेलोग्राम MNOP. गिवन स्टेटमेंट एरिया ऑफ पैरालेलोग्राम बेस इंटू हाइट इज इक्वल टू गिवन है AB इंटू क्रॉस OD एंड MN क्रॉस multiply with PQ. AB cross mean product or multiply with OD its altitude, and the MN base multiply with its altitude PQ. We know that AB is equal to MN, so AB product OD is equal to PQ. AB OD is equal to PQ. रिप्लेस कर दें अगर हम AB को MN से प्रूव्ड, तो ये प्रूव हो जाएगा कि AB जो है AB सिमिलर है तो OD और OQ भी सिमिलर होंगे. सिमिलरली AB and MN base are equal, so OD altitudes are also given, also equal as hence proved.